Hey guys, my brother's just gonna open some Yu-Gi-Oh packs now, and let's see what he gets. Show the camera, show the camera. Wheel. Time. Mind Drain, good comment. Oh, nice, you got a blaster. Ooh, Constellar Omega, nice. And you got a blaster. Nice. Okay, so maybe these packs weren't weed. Oh, I see something back there. Oh. Leopard, nice. So far, one hollow. Same rare. So how many packs we got left? Got 6 packs left.
Okay. One hollow or 4?
It's okay, that's a good hollow. And we got blaster. Reactin. Ooh, rank up magic. Oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
That card sucks. Shark Fortress, another leopard. Anything but that rank up.
Yeah.
Even after it was reprinted. I don't even know why it was reprinted. Wheel again. Ooh, Mega Phantomese Mega Raptor. Nice. That's a pretty good one. 4 packs left. Ooh, Bound Boxers. Okay, 3 packs. Come on, let's pull something good.
Draco Sect.
Draco Sect. Green Dustin.
Geared. Big Whale. Ooh.
Madoche Hooke, that's a pretty good one. Pulled that one for my tin.
2 more packs. Oops.
Another leopard. To a barrel.
Last pack.
Come on. If we get a hollow, then it could be 1 out of every 2.
Yes.
Oh, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Coyote. Oh, it's a bad secret, but it was a secret. Alright, now for the recap. Let's watch everything you pulled. Coyote.
Madoche Hoot Cake.
Madoche Hoot Cake.
Makeup Baron's Force.
Makeup Magic. Mega Raptor. And Constellar Omega. So that's my brother's opening, YouTube. Peace.